When was the Universal Declaration of Human Rights adopted? 10th December 1948. How many articles does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights contain? 30 articles. When is Human Rights Day observed? 10th December. How many countries are members of the Commission on Human Rights? 53 countries, representing all regions of the world. Which United Nations Council selects the members of the Commission on Human Rights and on what basis? The Economic and Social Council, according to regional geographical distribution. Where does the United Nations Commission on Human Rights meet and for how long? In Geneva for 6 weeks each year. To whom does the Universal Declaration of Human Rights apply? To each individual, regardless of gender, race, religion, or cultural background. Why is the Universal Declaration of Human Rights important to you? Because it protects and promotes your individual rights. Who can be appointed as the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is any retired Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. What is the tenure of the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? 5 years or up to 70 years of age. Where is the headquarters of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is Manav Adhikar Bhavan, Delhi. When changes have been made in the National Human Rights Commission Act? In 2006. What is the full form of UDHR? Answer is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. UDHR was adopted by which international body? Answer is United Nations. Human rights are divided into how many generations of rights? 3 generations of rights. Which generation of rights are called the collective developmental rights? Answer is 3rd generation. Which UN body is mandated to promote human rights? OHCHR. What is the full form of NHRC? National Human Rights Commission. The Protection of Human Rights Act in India was enacted in the year 1993. Who introduced the concept of 3rd generation human rights? Answer is Karel Wasek. What kind of right is freedom from torture? Answer is absolute right. What does the Cartagena Declaration of 1984 deals with? Answer is refugees. When was the United Nations Decade for Human Rights Education? 1995 to 2004. How many human rights treaty bodies are there? Answer is 6. Who was the first chairperson of Human Rights Commission? Justice Sri Ranganath Mishra. Who removes the chairperson and the members of the National Human Rights Commission in India? Answer is President of India. In which United Nations Convention the right of persons with disabilities came into force? Answer is 2009. Where was the Universal Declaration adopted? Answer is Paris. Who appoints the chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer is President. Who appoints the chairman of the State Human Rights Commission? Answer is Governor. Human rights are classified as first, second, and third generation by Kalvasek. Human rights are derived from the principle of natural law.